What's up, everybody? This is Chris, and we are in the process of changing a 87 M998 Military Hummer. This Hummer, we're in the process of doing some tune-up work on it, and I had noticed whenever we were in the process of doing it that whoever had serviced the air filter before never replaced the air filter, and so we didn't have an air filter. We had to order one online. Tried to go to Lowe's, or not Lowe's, I'm sorry, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. Didn't have that in stock. Ended up finding online a full kit: oil filter, the air filter, and fuel filter as a kit. It came for about it was about 110 bucks, something like that. But anyways, I'm going to do a quick video on how to install this. You're going to have a latch right here on the bottom portion of your air canister, and this is going to undo. I noticed that if you're trying to take this section off, it keeps catching on here, and so what I found the easiest way is to just kind of work your finger back here on the original gasket and pop that off, and just take the whole thing off as one set. It's got two pieces right here, and then of course when you secure it, then you'll just basically latch that in as one piece. As for the air canister portion of it, there's a threaded rod that comes through right here, which the air filter is going to attach to and secure. And then on the inside there's a housing that it will slide into. We got this from eBay. This is, if this helps you guys out, any vendor part number 2940015481183, and it is the air filter, and it came from OdysseyDCS.com. So we've got that in here. Brand new, nice and pretty air filter, as you can see right here. This rubber gasket's actually going to go on the inside of the air canister, and then this threaded portion right here is actually going to be screwed in. And so to do that, we're just going to simply slide it into here, and then it's going to butt up there just like that, but you got to kind of lift it from the back some to kind of get it into that housing, and then that'll lock in like so. And then you'll feel the threads start on this, and you'll turn it until it gets nice and snug, and then you'll know you've got a nice brand new air filter for your Humvee ready to go. Keep tightening this up, get it nice and snug so there's not any issues as far as air entering from the inside of it without going through the filter first. Tighten this down. Like so. Nice and tight. It's nice and secure. Then we'll take our the cap, and just like we did as far as taking it off, you're just simply going to take and slide it into here. You'll work that ring around this portion right here. Simply do that like so. Takes a little finagling. Just work that around, and we're on there like that. And then when you actually secure down the bracket, make sure that it's secure on all of the sides, going completely around the air filter, so that you don't have any issues with gaps. And you're going to go and basically check your seals and see. This is kind of old, so it's going to kind of want to pop off on you, but we'll go around, make sure that that's sealed correctly. Looks nice and good. Checking the bottom, sides, lock that into place, and now you've changed out your air filter in your Hummer. I hope this helped y'all. Please like and subscribe. We'll move on to the next repair on this Hummer, and I think the next one will be the fuel filter. Thank you.